Hey, this is Cam with the West Central Montana Avalanche Center. We are out in the Bitterroot today. So overall, generally stable conditions, low avalanche danger. On Friday, when we were driving over Lost Trail Pass, we noticed that there was a bit of a rime event going on with some east winds. And we got out of the car and kind of saw that it was starting to cap and preserve the surface hoar. Overnight, there was about an inch of new snow, and so the goal today was to really poke around and see how well was that surface hoar preserved, or was it destroyed with some periods of moderate west wind last night. What we're finding is that surface hoar still does exist in areas sheltered from the wind, although it's not a problem yet because with only an inch of snow above it, there's not a slab yet. So although we have a potential future persistent weak layer, we don't have a slab on top of it. So what could happen in the future? Well, we don't have any significant precipitation or snow events on the horizon, and so probably going to see another layer of surface hoar develop at the snow's surface. And although we might see some near surface faceting around the buried surface hoar, it will probably stay preserved down there at least for a few weeks. So what does that mean? Well, unfortunately, that could set us up for a persistent weak layer in the future. For now, though, that layer is just something we're monitoring. It's not creating avalanche danger at the moment. And so while you're out in the mountains, just keep track of where you're finding that buried surface hoar. Take a few minutes and just stick your hand in the snow, dig a quick hand pit, and keep track of where you're seeing it. In the future, if we do get some snow, really just assume that that surface hoar is still there and suspect until proven innocent. With that, let us know what you're seeing and ski and ride safe.